land.
There's
We
no
are in
debate.
2014. I am against anybody changing the forest land. See, no, ऐक तरी tourism खातीर जो तर आमी cottages allow करतले, I am on the opinion that it should be wooden cottages.
अरे 7
Purely.
मीटर कॉटेज
It should be purely.
7 मीटर हाइट
You
कॉटेज
can't do
No,
anything in
तुझे
ecotourism
guidelines है
zone.
7.6
You can't do
मीटर
anything in forest
See,
land.
so
I think
far,
you need to
no,
be
it
clear.
is not forest land. It is not forest
No,
land.
it
I
is-
just want
it
to
is
say
forest
it
land.
is forest
See,
land.
it is forest
And I
land.
need
I
to
will read and
mention
show you.
one thing
If the government
Yeah.
officers have done anything wrong, let it be investigated.
This is what
Let
this
it
is what
be
I
is
just want to
investigated.
make 2 points.
But you cannot stall a eco-tourism project if it is coming up. If it is going to bring revenue for our state, if it is going to bring employment for our state, आमचे जो तर भुरगे आहेत unemployed आहेत, तांकां खंय तरी
You
employment
are
मेळतले.
saying do not oppose the concept of ecotourism.
Yeah, do not
project.
oppose the concept of ecotourism.
Now what I
Let
am
How do you
saying
interpret?
let the hotels come up wherever it is allowed. It should be allowed.
But this is
Let
not
them
allowed.
be let them be
Okay,
also
okay.
taken into
Yeah,
confidence.
yeah,
Okay, well, let's-
NGOs let them be part of a.
Do I get an opportunity
Okay,
to speak?
yeah.
One is on forest land. You
No,
cannot.
no forest land.
One. And the one thing that was wrong with the regional plan, which the second thing which we were opposing is that the forests are not mapped and they are done as
Correct.
natural cover.
Correct.
Now when it is said as natural cover, तितून मागीर orchard येले, तितून मागीर forest येले, private forest येले, government forest. So हे हेका लागून ते म्हणटले हे orchard हांगा आमी permission दिवं शकता. Because it is not marked. Actually it is a forest area, but mark केलना म्हणून तेका ऑर्चर्डाचो स्टेटस दिता आणि ते ऑर्चर्डाचो स्टेटस दिता म्हणजे कन्वर्जन करू शकता आणि हे भाशेन आतां आमकां आनी एक ते लावली आमकां एक हें येयला गुगल मॅप फुली दाखयता की इट इज गुगल फुली थिकली फॉरेस्टेड ओके बट चेंज केला अशें कशें चेंज करू शकता आणि इफ वी आर स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोइंग तो रिजनल प्लॅन जाल्यार इट्स ओपन ते लिपून लिपून कित्याक करता हांगा तेराकॉल सुद्दां तेणी सांगलें की कन्वर्शन आमी करची ना पूण सनात ह्या टायमार जेन्ना रिजनल प्लॅन होल्डार आसलो तेन्ना सनात दिले सो लोकांक एक सांगता आनी भितरल्यान वेगळेंच करता आनी एक न्ही आतां युटोपिया प्रॉपर्टीज पळय थी परमिशन नासतना जेटी बेटी सगळे ते म्हणटा परमिशन ना म्हणून सो हाव अ मॅनग्रोव विच इज एन इको सेन्सिटीव झोन हाव डीड यू कट एंड यू अलाउड टू बिल्ड ओके मागीर हांगा पालासियो दे गोवा रिवर विथ इज 75 इट इज शोन एज 40 कित्याक 75 जाल्यार तुका 75 सेटबॅक दवरचें पडटा हेणी 40 दाखयला सो 40 सेटबॅक बट एक्चुअली दॅट एंटायर थिंग इज कमिंग अंडर CRZ
विजय एक गजाल तू मान्य
So
करता
there's so
इतली
much
जेन्ना
of
इतली
violation,
जेन्ना एग्जांपल्स दिता सबिना भाई मे इट बी काँग्रेस or may it be BJP. When it comes to regional plan and when it comes to real estate lobby, both are same.
both are same 100%. Not both are same. These people have graduated from what the Congress did. Congress only notified the plan and withdrew it, froze it. These people said that they froze it, but actually
Yeah,
are
the
doing
same
it.
Congress had done 2011 also.
आता जो मायकल म्हणटा आपण अगेन्स्ट फॉरेस्टिंग अरे हांगा तुजो गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसर सांगता the area under 330/1 is thickly vegetated and facing the sea. The area shown is with thick vegetation in the Google map. अरे हे असून तू कन्वर्ट कशें करता अरे बरें आनी एक सेकंड हे जे दिल्लीवाल्याक तू कन्वर्शन दिता हांव आतां म्हणटा की म्हाका कन्वर्शन करपा जाय अशें धरया की म्हजे कडेन प्रॉपर्टी आहा विच आय इनहेरिट विच इज अ शेत विच इज ऑफ 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर्स म्हाका दिता तूं इको टुरिझम म्हणून राव दिता खंय इको टुरिझम आहा आम्ही आमदार तू आमदार आलो तू खबर आसलें इको टुरिझम आहा म्हणून कोणाक खबर ना हे हांव जे काल काडलां ते म्हाका एकल्याक कळ्ळां आनी तुमचे जे गुड्डीला जावं केला तांकां खबर आहा आनी कलेक्ट
विजय बाब पळय दुसरी गजाल डायरेक्टली ते तुजेरय आरोप करतात
कोणी?
असेंब्ली भितर तुजेर आरोप जाल्ले
जावं दी.
तरेचे जमनीचे आरोप जाल्ले
कितें जमीन विकप इशू न्ही हांगा एक एक्स IGPन जमीन विकिल्ली आहा ताचें नांव काडना हांव विकली म्हणून इलिगल जायना तुमी कन्वर्ट करता ते चोर पयले आमी जमीन विकल्या दिस इज पार्ट आनी वी पे इनकम टॅक्स फॉर इट जमीन विकप इज नॉट ब्रिंग अ लॉ टू स्टॉप सेलिंग जमीन बंद करुया आमी आयचे दिसान जे भशेन टुरिझम इंडस्ट्री वाडटा ती खंयच्याच गोंयकाराक हॉटेल बांदपाक
There is no
रिसॉर्ट
policy in place. Basically,
place
there is
Michael,
no-
See, I
Yeah.
strongly
It is unaffordable.
feel, I strongly feel that eco-tourismची policy
लोकांक दाखय बाय हाईड हिडन
जी फ्रेम
बी
केल्या
ट्रान्सपेरंट
गायडलाईन जे काढल्या ती म्हाका दिसता तेजेर डिबेट जावपाची गरज आहा
मागीर
तेजेर भासाभास जावपाची गरज
डिबेट
आहा.
जावचे पयलीं सनद कशी दिली
Really.
डिबेट करा मागीर सनद दिया.
And I would say
let whoever has got knowledge, any MLAs are there, MLAs आमची 40 जाण कोणाक knowledge हा तेणी let them be part of it. Let the government is there only, and let us be very clear and cut what sort of eco-tourism projects we are going to allow in Goa. Whether they are going to be like concrete structures, then it is the same thing like
Then it is not ecotourism.
no. Then it is
See,
not
first
going
of
to
all,
be
whether construction should be allowed in eco-sensitive zone. You have to go by the law.
2000 square meter land घेऊन आधी किती फार्म हाऊस बांधताले तो हे जातले ते. We have to bring in tourism. So tourism म्हणजे किती it becomes a hotel. So only hotel projects will be allowed. Where it will be allowed, eco-sensitive zonan आम्ही allow करचे ना.
हे इको सेन्सिटिव्ह.
No, that is
zone.
eco-sensitive.
Eco-sensitive to munta then penalize the officer who has done it.
How your minister
Let us.
And I would suggest
Let's go and see.
But 2G
See, it is
spectrum
an allegation. You are putting an allegation.
No,
that it
I
is
am
eco-sensitive
talking with
zone.
facts.
I am saying that it may not be.
No,
I'm
no.
just saying. I've not seen it.
You are saying probe it.
Yeah, let's.
I am
let's
suggesting.
prove it.
You are saying probe
I am
it.
suggesting an audit of all the projects that
this is
that
just
permissions
the-
have been given, because
This is
just like the
eye
mining.
opener what he is saying that eco-tourismaचे under हे project allow केले. अजूनही काय project start जाऊंग ना. Let's go and see what is right and what is wrong. What is right and what is wrong.
Okay.
अजूनही
What are you
discussions
suggesting?
जाऊंग.
No, I am
Let there
saying
be
Okay.
there
proper,
should be a audit. Like how we had a Shah commission to unearth all the illegalities that happened in mining, have a audit of all the permissions that have been given, and you will see the
This is the only
amount of
permission.
no, that's not the
Next
only
week
one.
will be
You
the
just
next.
wo-
आता कितें हा गोंयकारांक
There are so many which have
सगळी
gone to
एक
court.
डोजीन दिवप ना थोडे थोडे दिवपाक
It
जाय
has gone to court.
जोर
तू
का
कितें-
झटका धीरे से लगे
तू कितें weekly scam expose करायला
पळय सरकारान मानून घेवचें की आमी स्कॅमाक केल्या बरें खालतीपणान सांगचें मोकळेपणान सांगचें की बाबा काँग्रेसूय चोरताले आमी बी चोरतात आमी सगळे चोरूंक आयल्या काणकोण एरियेनूच एक जर कॅल्क्युलेशन केलें जाल्यार मोर दॅन 22 lakh square meters हॅव बीन कन्वर्टेड बाय दीस पीपल अंडर द नेम ऑफ इको टुरिझम. आतां म्हाका सांग हो आर्डंट म्हणटा तो हाका कितें हिस्ट्री आहा हो कितें ताज हॉटेल has he done jungle lodges, has he got any history with eco tourism? Who is he?
So main issue to us this everything is happening because of the confusion of whether the regional plan is on hold, where the settlement area is, and whether the new regional plan is coming or no.
This is
What
not
are you
coming under
suggesting?
Regional plan. You are again
It is regional
plan.
says
It is
it.
regional plan.
Regional
It is
plan
regional plan.
2021 is on hold, but in
not-
that
But
eco
this is-
tourism म्हणा ना पळय ते
तेच allow
तेंच्यांनी
केलें. allow
आमच्या
केलें.
सरकारान अलाव केल्ले
कोण
हा
सांगलें?
Also, you are allowing
कोण
an
सांगलें?
for
illegality.
promotion of hotels.
You are
Yes,
allowing
yes,
an
yes, yes.
illegality.
The
That
government
is what
of the
you're
day
saying.
So
has
it's a
allowed
conscious
this.
decision.
The government of the day has allowed, but
No,
certain
not allowed.
changes which has to be
No,
done.
Michael, my thought mudna.
They-
Mughal issue asa
they kukur
whether
bhaji
you
bana
want a new regional plan
No.
or you want amendments in 2021.
It is only revision. It is only
Yes,
some
okay.
revision has to be done.
Okay.
In the regional plan, the notified regional plan, there are it was opposed. लोकांनी ताका बोवाळ घाल्लो हाका लागून इको टुरिझम मागीर ती मायक्रो इंडस्ट्रियल झोन घातली हे भाशेन कांय गोष्टी ते रिजनल प्लॅनान येयल्या. सो हाका लागून ते ऑपोजिशन आयला, बट इट इज द नोटिफाईड प्लॅन. आता हे बंद जावपाक जाय. सो यू हॅव टू डील विथ दिस अँड यू
So
हॅव
you
टू
are
रिमूव
saying there is no
इट.
need to prepare a new regional plan. You only deal with contentious issues.
We need
Yes,
to deal
of
with
course.
so when
Well,
you
this
deal
is
with
contentious.
contentious issues,
Contentious
the when you change all these contentious issues, it becomes a new plan anyway. So all the good things that are after the people's struggle, quite a lot of land has been saved, quite a lot of guidelines and things have been put in place. But as I said की थोडे हांगा येले कांय जाग्यार प्लॅन धाडलेलो तो बोलतोच घातलो मागीर कांय गोष्टी आसल्यो त्यो. So all these needs to be changed. So when you make a change, finally the new one becomes with removing all the anomalies. Whatever name you give it, actually right now we are not bothered about the name whether it is new or old. आमकां जाय की आमचे इको सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन्स पळय आहा ते प्रोटेक्ट केल्ले. कांय ते इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन जाता परमिशन नासतना सगळे दर्यान जाणा नाजाल्यार नेक्स्ट टू द सी मागीर रिवर दोंगर कापून दोंगराचेर बिल्डिंगा बांदपाक तुमी एअरपोर्टा वचून वयतासतना पळयतले कांयच परमिशन नासतना हे नासतना सगळें चालूच आसा. हे बंद जावपाक जाय.
Michael, when can we expect a clarity? कारण पयलीं जातालें की मायनिंगाचो इश्यू सोंपलो की आमी रिजनल प्लॅना हात घालतले
regional-
अडेच वर्सां जालीं. when can we expect the
थोडेच
clarity?
न्हू आनीक 3 महिन्यांनी 3 वर्सां जाता.
बरोबर.
So I have spoken to the ex-chief minister also earlier, on many occasions when I used to speak to him.
When will this
one
confusion
to
be
one?
clear?
He said that we will complete the regional plan soon म्हण्टालो तो. So now he's gone as defense minister. I have spoken to the deputy chief minister who is the town and country planning minister. I said let us bring regional plan out taluka wise. If there is a confusion, let us bring it taluka wise. Take them also into confidence. Let 10, 12 panchayats get together. Let's see where are the...
Let's do it in phases.
Yeah, phases.
No, we have started
that
a
is going to be the best. At least people will get detailing what is wrong where. जो तर आदल्या सरकारान हुई wrong केला ते rectify करूया. But let us come out with the regional plan.
Let us not keep it on
Yeah,
hold.
Now, I just want to tell you,
because lot of Goans are only migrating in search of jobs. आमचे गोंयकार every day तू पळय थिंगा passport officean line लागता only to go because हिंगा jobs ना म्हणटा ते. So let's
there is no vision for the
no,
state.
let us complete the regional plan. Let good industries come. That is hotel industries. Let them come into Goa. Let Goans get good jobs and settle here only. We don't want Goans
Let's
to go.
complete it.
Yes.
Yeah,
This
Mr.
is what
Manohar
it is.
Parrikar had told me,
Yeah.
we had gone to him, but I went because of the alcohol issue. But he told, I said, when are you meeting us on the regional plan? He had not given us a thing. He said,
Appointment.
Maharashtraचे elections जावनी by October 31st आपण तुमका म्हणला and I will आपण regional planaचे process start करतलो. So हे सगळे 31st आयले मागीर हे सगळे जाले ते जावना. सो आमी कितें सजेस्ट केलें जेन्ना लोकांचो बोवाड जाल्लो तेन्ना एक सजेशन आमी दिल्लें की जे जे लोकांचो विरोध आसा जे जे इशूचे ते आपोवया आनी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केल्लो म्हणजे विलेज बाय विलेज पीपल वर कॉल्ड आनी खंय चेंजीस आसा कितें रॉंग मार्किंग्स आसले काय रॉंग प्लॅन्स आसले सो दोज इशूज वर बींग अड्रेस्ड. आमी म्हणलें की गायडलायन्स तयार करा की कशें करतले ते प्रोसेस कशें स्टार्ट करतले ते. सो इफ द गायडलायन्स आर देर मागीर तो आमदार जावं नाजाल्यार कोण एक्टिविस्ट
Then you have to follow the
you have to
guidelines.
follow the guidelines.
बरें. विजया म्हाका लास्ट एक गजाल सांग. Phase wise is a very nice suggestion. Are you okay that if they go phase wise, do taluka wise regional plan and clear it one by
No,
one?
one minute. There is a note from the Secretary Town Planning, who is also the Secretary to the Chief Minister. The note is very clear that the RPG 21 shall be kept in abeyance with immediate effect till the government takes an appropriate decision in the matter, which means that the regional plan 2021 was kept in abeyance. You couldn't approve anything on the basis of that. But there is also a catch here. They have said that files in respect of cases which have already been cleared by the department after 20th March 2012 shall be put for case to case basis. Mala kide? What about before 20th March? This has happened 3 days after we became MLAs. We became
Are you okay with phase wise? मुझे time सारखं
not at
सांगता.
all.
The solution
See,
to this is only regional plan getting
No phase wise.
finalized.
No, see, the regional
plan is
plan has to
notified,
be
has to be
finalized.
finalized.
The way Michael spoke at the beginning, he was creating a fait accompli that it is already finalized. What more is remaining?
So you are
अरे
saying-
एक तालुका हांव म्हणटा कितें एक काणकोणच्या तालुकान लँड स्कॅम ऑफ 22 lakhs पेडण्यात आनी केल्ले आहा बिटवीन काणकोण आनी पेडणे कितले आनी चोरला ते
Okay.
पळय.
मागीर जावं
There is
तुझं
no
वेळ
problem.
सोंपला
I
मायकल
said
तुझं
it
वेळ
is
सारखं सोंपला.
Today is only talking on speculation.
Speculation.
Let
Okay.
us
They are
come
fine.
to
This is
the
a file. There is no speculation.
this by finalizing this
बरं
regional plan.
इतल्याचेच आमदार
विजयाचे सगळे जे doubt आसले ते clear
म्हाका
जातले.
एकूच दिसता की जोपर्यंत रिजनल प्लॅन फायनल जायना हे कन्फ्युजन उरतलें. एक सजेशन मायकलान केला
करूनही उडयले आणि
एक सजेशन मायकलान केला की फेज वायज वचया तालुका वायज वचया सो दॅट एवरीबडी गेट्स
No,
क्लॅरिटी.
the plan is a whole plan. It's
Correct,
one plan for whole of
whole of Goa and ultimately it should be a one plan for whole of Goa. इतल्याचेच आमदार म्हजो वेळ सारको सोंपला. तुम्ही तिघी जाण आयले. बसावास घे. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात स्टुडंट. नमस्कार.